All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to day 2 of the Masters. Just got done drilling a couple balls behind me. I drilled a Black Widow 2.0, so hopefully I can transition from the mindset to the 2.0 a little bit better today. Because after the mindset yesterday, didn't know what to do. So new day, new game plan. Let's go. Fortunately for me, my game plan worked. Black Widow 2.0 solid really looks solid. I just got lost there games 4 and 5. Does make me a little nervous going into tomorrow because tomorrow will be the burn. So that doesn't make me feel great that I keep losing it at the end of the block. And now technically tomorrow we're going to start at the end of the block. So not really feeling too confident. However, give myself a chance. I'm only like 40 out of the cut. So plenty of bowling left to do. I got 5 games left tomorrow and I'm only 40 out. So can't ask for much more than that. Feeling like I've bowled really well, just haven't really matched up yet. So hopefully matching up and bowling well tomorrow.
We're in week 7. This is week 5 of me like throwing it extremely well and not having results. But it's going to come around. It really is. And this is probably the first time I've ever been in bottom half brackets, so we're coming for those. Hey, guys, go buy some merch. We were talking about merch yesterday. Yeah, we'll give a 10% off code. The code is RIGHT, all caps. Just RIGHT, because it's walled. That's all I have to say. Next!
Recap, no cap. Day 2, we went 115 over. Started out hot, 269. Then transition hit. Still can't figure that out. Went 190-2-0. Really good 230. Then 214 to finish it out. We're at 154 over, right outside that number. Hopefully a good one today. Bye.
Day 2 went all right, 118 over with front 10 my last game to save it. Kind of the opposite of day 1 where I had 180 over the first 3 and then trashed the last 2. This time I had like trashed the first 3 and decent the last 2. So who knows what this is going to be. I mean, I have a good idea going into it after shooting 289 the last game yesterday. So hopefully just keep rolling into that. Shoot front 10 every